Yesterday was really hard and I'm glad that it's over. Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of the juice fast. Yesterday was really hard and I'm glad that it's over. But I'm excited about today. Things that I noticed this morning when I woke up is that I woke up early, even though I didn't sleep good last night. I didn't sleep good at all last night, but my stomach is flatter. I can't even really show you. Let me stand on this chair. Oh, yeah, okay. My stomach is flatter than usual, because I'm usually like just like out there and fat, and I don't have to put my shorts over my stomach right now. Ow. I just woke up. Anyways, by the way. Also noticed that when I brushed my teeth, I had a lot of white stuff on my tongue. I feel like maybe I still have some, but I brushed my teeth. So I think that's a part of the detox situation. Also, an update on my juice from last night. Check it out. I didn't drink it all. I didn't drink it all. So I think that I'm going to end up drinking some later on today. So I'm just going to put this in the fridge because I don't want it this morning. When I drank it last night, I was hungry. But then like after I drank maybe about half of it, I wasn't hungry anymore. So this is the one, this is the green juice that will, I guess, curb your hunger. So I know now when I'm hungry, drink this. This needs to be like my lunch one. Yeah. So that's just a quick update. I'll probably see you guys a little later. I'm not going to be recording much because, like I said, I'll be at church. But I will make sure, or try to make sure that I get in me drinking, if that makes sense. I don't know what I'm saying right now, you guys. I'm still kind of tired. Well, not really. I don't know. I'm not tired, obviously. All right, let's just get this thing started, okay?
Why are you saying hi to everybody? Okay, guys. So I am drinking my juice right now. It is 1 o'clock or 1:30ish. This is what I'm drinking. Harlem's eating some good food, but I'm not even tempted right now. Alright, hey guys, so it's about 7:03 and I'm going to drink juice number 3. I just got back from church. I wasn't really hungry throughout service. When I did get hungry, it was about 4 or 5, and I drank my second juice, which was the orange carrot juice thing. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my juice from last night, and then I'm gonna drink this as well. So yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here really quickly to end the vlog and to say today was an easy day. I'm really thankful for it. I gotta hurry and speak so my camera don't cut off on me. It's very annoying. Got this far in my juice. I'm gonna finish it. It's about 9:20, but I'm gonna go to bed after I edit this video. But I will finish this juice, and I wanted to say I will see you guys in tomorrow's video on day 30. Bye.